Hello, beautiful people. My name is Busola or Oradugba. Please don't mind the way I'm sounding. I guess all truth, no vex. And today I have brought to you something very tasty, something very yummy, something you don't know before. The recipe I have brought to you today is called coffee glowing scrub. So right from the convenience, right from the comfort of your home, you can make your own scrub. Can you feel my skin? Like, am I not looking sweet? Oh my god. Yeah, I could remember there was a time I dropped a picture, I guess, on Instagram and on Facebook. People started to ask. I got a lot of DMs that time asking me what I use on my skin, asking me what I use on my face. And the truth is, the 5 recipes I'm going to be showing you today are the things that I use from time to time on my skin. I don't use any other thing. I only use these recipes from my house. If you don't want to break the bank and you want to look yummy like me, you want to look sweet all the time, you want to take good care of your skin, then you definitely want to watch this video till the very end. You can make a coffee glowing scrub under $2, my darlings. Yes, $2. If you're a Nigerian, under 1,000 naira. Without further ado, let us get right into the video. So guys, the very first thing I'm going to be showing you is this Nescafe. Yes, you saw right, this is it. Your own facial scrub, you can make it right from home from this. Any form of coffee, any coffee that you have in the house will do justice to that. So today I'm going to be using from this. Coffee is very good for the skin, guys. Coffee exfoliates your face and it helps to reduce aging process. Yes, if you want to be 50 and still be looking like 30. The second thing that you're going to need is your milk. Yes, I love pig milk, and that's why I'm going to be using pig milk. Just 1 spoon and you're good to go. Guys, with a tablespoon of honey, then you're good to go. So guys, another thing that is very important is lime. Yeah, I have this lime that I've already squeezed before. The next thing you're going to need is just a drop of water. Just a drop of water. Very good. So guys, I'm going to mix. Can you see that? I'm going to mix very well. This coffee is very good for the skin. Milk contains a lot of protein, a lot of minerals, a lot of vitamins that are very good for the skin. Milk has lactic acid too. Yeah, can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. So milk has lactic acid, which helps to moisturize your face. It leaves it glowing all the time. The lime is also very good for the skin. It brightens your face. It exfoliates your face. Lime contains antioxidants. Honey is very good for the skin, so it's very beneficial for our skin. So these are home recipes that you really want to try out because they are very nice, they are very affordable, and they work wonders. They work magic. Yeah. So guys, I like the consistency already, but before you can apply this on your face, guys, you need to wash your face, you need to rinse your face, and you need to remove all the oil and all the dirt on your face. So I'm going off camera now to clean my face, and I'm going to be right back to apply this. So guys, I'm back. I went off camera to wash my face, and I've got myself a clean towel which I'm going to be dabbing into my skin. Time to apply our mixture on our face. Guys, you have a lot of options. You can either use probably a brush, something like this, like a circular motion on your face. You can use a brush. You can use this as well to apply it on your face. Circular motion, don't forget. I'm not going to be using any of those. You can use it, but I don't want to use anything like that. I want to use my hand. You can use a spoon as well. You can use a spoon like this. You can use your hand. So guys, it's over 10 minutes, like My face is already gummy. Everywhere is gummy. I can't even open my eyes again. Yeah, it's already tacky. I'll just wait for it a little. Guys, 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off. Okay, you see that skin? Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, look at that. Make sure you rinse it off very well. We have finally come to the end of this video. Please and please, if this video was helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching till this very moment. Please stay fabulous.